13 years old. Can you believe it? A teenager. Our beloved Pete and Pedro has just turned the big 1-3, 13 years old. And so I figured, why don't you join me in wishing him a happy birthday? Ready? On 3. 1, 2, happy birthday. Okay, I'm not going to sing because I'm a terrible singer. What I'm great at is deals. And so in honor of Pedro turning the big 1-3, I've got a deal for you that you are going to love. It is a super sexy ladder deal. All right, here it is. If you spend $25 at Pete and Pedro on whatever, you're going to get $5 off, cold hard cash. Or if you want to go $50, reach a little bit, you're getting $10 off. But for those of you who are like, yo, I'm going to bring it stronger because I love it, $75, you're getting $15 off. But for those who really love Pedro and really believe in our brand and want to treat yourself to the best grooming products in the universe, here it is, $100. If you spend it, you're getting $20 off instantly. Gentlemen, all the info is around here somewhere. I just want to say thank you so much for not making me sing. What I would like to do, honestly, though, is thank you so much for everything with Pete and Pedro. I can't believe it's been 13 years since I started this business in my little spare room in my house. When I started this business, it was 5 pallets, or I should say 5 products, 4 cases of each, 96 units. And what it's built and what we have created, it's just absolutely inspiring, and we wouldn't be here if it wasn't for you. And so for that, I just want to thank you from the bottom of my, Pedro, and the entire team's heart. We couldn't do it without you. Thank you for everything, and we are going to continue to kick ass and bring you the best grooming products in the universe. Guys, all the information is around here somewhere. Don't wait, because this deal won't last.